Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Wednesday. It is our planning and desk day, and our zone is zone 3, the bathroom and one other room. We're going to start our day, our 3-layer cake, routines, basic weekly plan zone. We're going to start with the routines. We're going to do 3 routines first thing in the morning. Unless you're working, where you're going to do 1 routine in the morning and 2 routines when you first come home. And they are the morning routine, where you get yourself up and ready for the day and the children. The second routine is laundry. So if you work, you're going to do that as soon as you come home. But if you're staying at home, you're going to start it now. And while the laundry's going, you're going to go through an inch of paper. That's 3 routines out of the way. There are only 2 left. One is for after dinner. And that just means we're cleaning the kitchen together as a family, getting it all cleaned from dinner. And the last routine of the day, routine number 5, is our before bed routine. And I'm going to call it 12 steps to bed, because there are 12 steps to the before bed routine for you. Now for your children, you're going to put them through their before bed routine, which includes cleaning up their mess, picking out a book, taking a bath, washing their face, brushing their teeth, hanging up their towels, putting their toys away in the bathroom, putting their clothes in the dirty clothes, putting on their clean clothes, going to bed and reading books with them. That's it. But here's yours, 12 steps to bed. Number 1, I wrote them down. Check your planner. Always check your planner. Twice a day, check your planner. Lay out your clothes based on what you have planned for tomorrow, including your shoes and your jewelry. Third step, take care of your face. Take your makeup off or the dirt off from the day and put on some good moisturizer. Don't confuse moisture with oil. Moisture is moisture. If you have oily skin, find the right formula for your skin to moisturize it. Okay, if you have dry skin, use the kind for dry skin. 4th step is take care of your teeth. Brush them, floss them. 5th step, spot. If you have spots on your clothes, spot your clothes and put them in the dirty clothes or hang them up to air. 6th step, take your bath or your shower, unless you're doing that in the morning. 7th step, in the bathroom, make sure you've wiped out the sink again. Make sure there's no toothpaste in there. Just like you don't want the kids to leave it, don't you leave it, and hang your towels up. Step 8 is other. This would include making your lunch or taking care of a pet. Would also include laying out food for tomorrow. You know what you're having because you've checked your planner and you've written it in there. So lay out your food for tomorrow. Put it in the fridge so it can thaw out. Your 9th step is your dishwasher or dishes. Make sure the dishwasher is loaded and running and all the dishes have been done, those little last few that your husband had while you were in your shower. The 10th step is wipe out your sink, shine it up, and put a new towel out. I use Mrs. Meyer's and just spritz it and wipe it out. It keeps it shiny and beautiful. If you would like to try that, there's a link below for Grove Collaborative where you can get things at a discount, and there's even a free gift for your first order from me through Grove Collaborative. Your 11th thing is get in the bed 30 minutes before it's time for you to go to sleep so you can relax. And your 12th step is when it's time for you to roll over and go to sleep, do that. So if you need 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours of sleep, whatever time that means, roll over and go to sleep. You've already predetermined the time. All right, that's your 12 steps to before bed routine. Now, you're going to do okay, you've got all those worked out in the day. So the first 3 in the morning, unless you work, and you have 2 after work, then everybody does the 1 after dinner, and then the before bed routine. Now, the basic weekly plan is the main bathroom. That's not the master bathroom. This is the main bathroom that people will use in your house. And you're going to make sure it's clean. You're going to deep clean something in there, or you're going to declutter if you haven't gotten it done yet. Hopefully you have, and you can deep clean something. Maybe you're going to do a real good scour of the shower. And then I recommend, again, I know this sounds like an advertisement, but I really love it. Grove Collaborative has a spray that I use in my shower after the shower, and it keeps the bath or the shower shiny and clean. I have my mother using it now in her shower. My husband uses it in his shower. I take baths, occasional showers. I still spray it. It's wonderful. It's not slippery, and it keeps it shiny. Okay, so that's below 2. And then let's do something else in there. Maybe if you've already got a clean shower or tub, you don't need to scrub it for whatever reason. Maybe you do it daily. Maybe you do it every week as part of your basic weekly plan. You know, I don't know, but it depends on your family's needs. For me, I clean it in the zone. So after that, you're going to do, if you've gotten that done, pick something else. Maybe you want to straighten up under your sink. Maybe you need to wash the rugs in the room, but don't do everything. Do one thing 4 days a week. And maybe you only have 2 things you want to do in there, and the other 2 days you're going to spend in your other room, which is one of the rooms that's not listed in the other zones. So like the laundry room, or the guest room, or the baby's room, or the loft, or whatever room you have, that room. So spend some time decluttering and or deep cleaning that room. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to do is our zone. That is no, that's it. Oh yeah, no, that's it. That's the basic weekly, that's the zone. That's the zone. That's zone 3. The basic weekly plan is planning and desk day. Oh yeah. That's the zone. Planning and desk day is the basic weekly plan. And so for your basic weekly plan, you're going to check your fridge, your pantry, and your freezer for foods that you can use this week in your basic menu. You're going to wipe out the fridge a little and throw out some things that need to go. You're going to take inventory of the things that you need for your regular things like eggs and butter and milk. And you're going to make a grocery list based on what you don't have and a menu based on what you do have or what you're going to buy. You're going to balance your checkbook today. You're going to check your checking account, debit cards, to make sure nothing weird is happening there, or your credit card. You're going to make sure everything looks good, looks right. You're going to make sure your bills are paid, your inbox has been handled, and you have your budget in hand so that when you buy groceries tomorrow, you're going to spend less than what you budgeted. That's it. Okay, so we have our first layer is all our routines. Second layer is our basic weekly plan, which is planning and desk day. If you work, take your things out of your to-do box, your inbox, with you to work so you can handle those. Make a grocery list in your budget and balance your checkbook at work on your lunch hour. And then the zone is the bathroom and one other room. Okay, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you're not perfect, just like me, but you are beautiful.